Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to do a 3D sloping roof in Autocad easily. Here I have already a plan for the roof. Just take a copy of the roof plan. Then retain outside of roof plan and delete other lines. Make sure the outer of roof plan is in a closed polyline. This is a view toolbar. If don't have this toolbar, then right click on the toolbar area. You can see the view toolbar. Or go to the menu bar here to view. There are 3D views here. You can see all views tools. Also, we can go through the command view for view manager. Here also you can control all views. Then I select isometric view. Now we want to extrude the roof plan. For that I use extrude tool. Here I already loaded the modeling toolbar. You don't have this toolbar, do the previous method we used in the view toolbar. Extrude tool also take from draw menu. The command of extrude tool is AXT. Here I use command AXT for extruding. System asks to select an object to extrude, so select this closed polyline here. Next, we need to specify the height. I give 350 height. Okay, it's done. The next step is to make the taper all side face. For that go to modify menu here, solid editing. In that you can choose taper tool. The command for this tool is solid edit. Enter here 3 sub options you can see. In that select the face option, then you can some more sub options. In this sub options, we see the taper selected. Now we can see in the command prompt window to select faces. Select the faces to taper. Here we don't need this face because in our plan there is no taper. Yeah, we select the faces for taper. Now we need to pick a base point for taper from. I pick the base point here because we need the taper to start from here. Press the enter or space bar. Now we need to specify the next point along the axis of tapering. Here is the second point we need to pick and press the enter. Then finally we need to specify the angle. Here I put a 60-degree angle. Now we made it. Exit from the solid edit command. Go to the top view. We can see here our roof is perfect. Next is we need to extrude the bottom face. For that, use the previous command solid edit. Select the same previous sub-option face. In that we can see extrude option. Select the option. Next, we want to select the bottom face that holds the control button and select the bottom face. Enter. Specify the height of extrusion. I give a 15 cm height. It's done. We know still our roof is not completed. For the final step, we need to use subtract tool. Make it the visual style in 2D. Then copy our roof. To copy, apply the command CO or C pages, enter. Then copy to bottom. Subtract command SUB. Apply the command subtract. First select the object to subtract from. Here the top object is the subtract from. Select it. Enter. Then select the object to subtract. The bottom object is to subtract. Select it and press the enter key or space bar. It's finished. Now you can see the perfect roof in 3D. I hope all of you can understand the making of a sloping roof. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button for new video notifications.